Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for my screencast, I created a slide on why I want to teach. This is my first time ever using screencast, so I really hope that you're able to hear me and everything works out. So the first reason I want to teach is I absolutely love helping students with homework and helping them when they don't understand something. It honestly puts the biggest smile on my face being able to help students because once they understand it, I know that I did my job as a teacher and they're actually learning something from me. I've always seen myself as a teacher for as long as I can remember. When I was in elementary school and we had to fill out those worksheets on what we want to be in the future, I always remember that I wanted to be a teacher because that's what I've always wanted to do. I also can't wait to have my own classroom. The thought of being able to put up posters, pictures, decorations, have a theme in your classroom, being able to organize it any way you want, it just makes me super happy because that's going to be like my second home and I can't wait to decorate it. Most importantly, I want to do something I love for the rest of my life. I truly believe that teaching is my passion, and I know that I'm going to wake up every morning and I'm going to be very happy because I'm going to be doing something that I love every day and being able to help others become a better human and grow with each other. And teaching is something that I've always wanted to do, and I can't wait to start my career.